today we have made a hydraulic ramp. This is a pump used without energy. No energy is required. Only energy that is used for pumping the water is the potential kinetic energy in the water. So the way this works is when the water comes from force from if you have your reservoir at the top, water comes from a force. So that potential energy is used to pump the water at equal height. So from it can be used for example in rural areas where you have waterfall or continuous stream of water. So it goes through here, and this is a check valve. It is unidirectional. It only allows one way water transportation in one way. For this it allows like this, and this is a pressure chamber. It stops the water here and it allows it to flow through here. This is another check valve. It is used to apply pressure again here. So it comes through like pulses, but it stops here, then the water goes through, then some of it is let out. Now some say that this water is wasted, but it isn't wasted. Water is again put back into the ground in its original place. So this is the working principle of hydraulic ramp pump.